Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. So you have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone. You can check it in the settings if you want to. You need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have iOS, you will see this text. It's not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, but some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you also will have this text. Then you open the case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. And right here we have connection. If you have Android, it will return to My Devices from Save Devices. So with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!